This is Dustin, I'm Bradley, and we are going to show you guys how to do a quick haircut. Dustin is good with his hands. He is a chiropractor, but not a hairstylist. So the top section of my hair, and I'm gonna spray it to kind of get it out of the way. We're gonna work on this section last. Generally, most people, this is the longest part of their hair. So you're gonna pull this. I like to use the ear as a guide. So like this here is zone 1 on the front. Again, this here is zone 1, and this is generally the area, zone 1 is we're going to take the shortest. And we're gonna kind of follow that guide all the way around. Zone 2 is going to be this mid-blending region here. And zone 3 is going to be the top longer section that we clipped away. We're gonna diagonal because when you start to blend, it makes everything easier.
Ready?
I'm ready, are you?
Yeah.
As you're coming towards the top of that zone section right there, you're doing a great job, babe. You can start to just naturally pull the clipper away from the head, and that's going to make it so that when you come in with a little bit of a longer guard for zone 2, everything blends easier. As you can see, he did a nice job of kind of slightly pulling the guard out here to make it so this part will be easy to blend. This part can look a little scary, especially if you're going really short on the edges. Don't be afraid though to push on the head, especially as you're blending to the bottom. Because I don't have a ton of hair, this part isn't that hard for me, and I don't want to like cut all of my hair off because I'll look bald. But I think the most important part of this section, obviously, if my hair was really long and I wanted to take some length off, I would go in and you would cut some length off. I generally like to cut vertically into the pieces, which do create a little bit more of a soft blend, like cutting in like this. Now, I have gotten some people that said like, oh, you know, like can kitchen shears work? Like, obviously I realize not everyone is a professional, so be taken out a little bit, that's gonna make it easy. So Dustin, my hairstylist, is going to show you guys. Now the important part about this is using a comb with wide teeth so it can move easily through it, and making sure that you can quickly go move your scissor and your comb at the same time up the head. So Dustin. Finish with some texturizing products, texture spray, pomade, whatever your heart desires. Pretty simple. Hopefully this will help some of you guys to maybe keep your men happy. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up on the DMs and I will help you out.